वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 8th इंग्लिश द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक की नेक्स्ट पोयम शेपर शेप्ड के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक आपको जल्द ही मिल जाएगा, तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा, वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए अभी इस वीडियो में हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देख लेते हैं। रीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, गिवन बिलो आर सम रोल्स एंड क्वालिटीज the poet had before and after he was shaped. Write them under the correct heading. The words are silence, humility, pride, fashioner, insolence, knowledge, wisdom, winners of hearts. These words are classified in these headings are as the shaper, pride, winner of hearts, fashioner, and insolence, and as the shaped, wisdom, knowledge, silence, and humility. Question number B. Answer these questions with reference to the contest. Question number 1. In days gone by, used to be a potter who, volatile, his fingers mold the yielding clay to pattern on his wheel. So, question number A. When was the poet a potter? Answer. The poet used to be a potter in his past in the days that have gone by. Question number B. What would the potter feel? Answer. The poet would feel his fingers working and molding the soft clay expertly to make pottery on his wheel. Question number C. What do you understand by the phrase yielding clay? Answer. Yielding clay refers to a clay that is flexible, soft, and very receptive to being molded or shaped by the potters. Second reference. But now I am kneeling at the feet of the Supreme. I have ceased to be a dreamer and have learned to be the dream. So, question number A. What is the poet doing now? Answer. Now the poet is kneeling at the feet of the Supreme. Question number B. Who is the Supreme that is being referred to here? Answer. Supreme is referred to God here. Question number C. Briefly explain the difference between the dreamer and the dream. Answer. When the poet was a vivid dreamer in the olden days, he was arrogant and disrespectful due to his power and glory. However, when he undergoes a transformation, he becomes the dream, which suggests a state of surrender to the Supreme Being. Question number C. Answer these questions briefly. Question number 1. Why did the poet, who was once the potter, become the clay? Answer. The poet, who was once the potter, became the clay because of wisdom he acquired. He left his pride and surrendered to the Supreme Being. Question number 2. How did the people respond to the poet or the songwriter? Answer. The people responded positively to the poet or songwriter. He won their hearts through his innumerable songs. Question number 3. What changed him from being a poet to being the song? What does this mean? Answer. The poet used to think he was a talented poet who could write beautiful songs which people could adore. He acquired new knowledge and realized that he is not the writer but only a song which the Supreme Being has written. Question number 4. What kind of shorts did the poet make as a fashioner? Answer. The shorts fashioned by the poet glittered, gleamed, and shone with the glory won in hundreds of battlefields. Question number 5. What is the poet brimming with? What does it mean? Answer. The poet is brimming with the silence of the Lord, which suggests the peace and calm of the mind after the disruptive glory of war. Further, he has achieved this peace and calm by realizing the truth and by surrendering to the Lord. Question number 6. What was the poet in the bygone days? What would he do? Answer. The poet in bygone days used to an arrogant and disrespectful dreamer who took pride in his glory and wealth. He would showcase his glory and wealth everywhere. तो ये तो हो गए इस पोएम के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसका समरी चाहिए या फिर थिंक एंड आंसर चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। उसका वीडियो जल्द ही अपलोड कर दिया जाएगा और लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया जाएगा। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा ये कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के ज़रूर बताइए। पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। हैव अ नाइस डे।
पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।